action camera company GoPro reported a 4% decline in revenue during the June quarter to $241 million US. Founder and chief executive Nick Woodman created the brand in 2002, and he was in Australia this week launching the new HERO12 camera. I spoke to him about the global economic challenges, but also GoPro's successful subscription model, which now generates about 10% of the brand's revenue.
Well, we just launched our newest camera, HERO12 Black, and we thought it'd be really fun to come back and visit Australia and do so in GoPro fashion and, you know, come do some karting, capture some video, and have some fun.
Yeah, let's start with that new product that you're launching. I know your second quarter results came out recently and GoPro did fall to a loss due to lower revenue. So how important is it for GoPro to come up with new products like this?
Oh, it's very important. Innovation is at the heart of GoPro, and every year we come out with a brand new flagship Hero camera. HERO12 Black just pushes the envelope of what's possible in a camera that small. And it's a really exciting time at GoPro because now that we're past the pandemic, we're focused on growing our business, growing into new stores in Australia, expanding our brand to pre-pandemic levels. And HERO12 Black is the perfect, exciting new product to help us do that.
Just talk us through, who's the target market for this product?
The target market, our target customer at GoPro is an active consumer who's looking to capture their life in a way that they simply can't with their phone. So creatives, athletes, content creators, people who are looking to, you know, go beyond the ordinary. And that includes people like me, moms and dads who want to capture their family experience in a really immersive way that it just simply isn't possible with a phone. At GoPro, we're focused on helping you capture and share your life in immersive and exciting ways.
Looking at the global economy, we know consumers are starting to tighten up their spending. So what impact's that having for you guys at GoPro?
Well, we're in a growth phase at GoPro. You know, we shrunk the business during the pandemic, and we actually had some of our most profitable years ever during the pandemic. So that strategy served us well. But in the process, we pulled out of roughly 30% of the retail doors that we sold in. We significantly reduced our marketing spend during the pandemic, and we're now just 2 quarters into building the business back up to where we were pre-pandemic. So we're growing into more doors in Australia and globally, and we're adding back significantly to our marketing spend to grow the GoPro brand back to where we were before the pandemic. And we're early in that phase, so even though there are macroeconomic pressures that are affecting consumer product companies, we're actually in a growth phase at GoPro.
Yeah, I know GoPro's got just under about 11 million subscribers on YouTube. You post lots of athlete videos there. How important a channel is that for you guys for promoting the brand?
Oh, social media channels and YouTube and viewership of GoPro content, whether it's GoPro produced content or it's content produced by our millions of customers around the world, that's integral to the growth of the brand and authentically driving awareness of our brand and our products. And it's kind of the secret sauce to our business is that every GoPro that we sell results in really compelling video that gets watched by millions of people around the world. So GoPro is very much a socially and content-driven brand and business. So the more, the better on that front.
And just roughly how much do you put aside each year to spend on technology development, and how long's the process been to launch this new camera, HERO12?
Yeah, I can't share specifics, but we're a brand and a company that's dedicated to innovation and reinventing ourselves year after year after year. We look to sports for inspiration, and on that front, we look to Formula One as an inspiration for how to stay ahead of the competition. In F1, they've got to come out with a new car every single year to be competitive, and that's a strategy that we've had for years. It's in our DNA, and I think it's a big part of why GoPro's remained a market leader for so many years. It's our job to keep people excited about what's coming next.
And how tough is the competition now in the market with all the other players out there and consumer spending dropping?
Yeah, we take competition very seriously. It drives us ultimately to the benefit of our customers. But I'm happy to say that year after year, we've been able to maintain a healthy leadership position in the market. And in terms of being more competitive in this macroeconomic environment, that was a big driving factor behind our decision to make retail more of an emphasis in our business. During the pandemic, we became very direct-to-consumer focused at GoPro.com, but post-pandemic, as consumers returned to retail stores to do their shopping, we realized we needed to be there more and be there in a bigger fashion. And, we're 2 quarters into restoring our presence at retail. We've adjusted our pricing to be more competitive at retail, and we've seen significant momentum as a result of that. So we're very excited about the future.
Yeah, and what's the biggest way that you're feeling inflation in your business right now?
Well, we were a bit more worried about inflation prior to our strategic shift and prior to a price adjustment that we made on all of our products in May of this year. But that really helped realign our pricing with where market demand was, where consumers were willing to spend. And that's been a real boon to us as we seek to grow our volumes back to historic levels of 4 million units by the end of year 2025, and we're on pace to do that. And then in terms of inflation as it relates to the margin of our products, we've done a really good job of working with our suppliers to keep that in check. And as we've shared, we're looking at improving our margin over the next few quarters to come. And we're really looking forward to the full year impact that we'll enjoy from that in 2024.
And just quickly, can you explain the GoPro subscription model to us? Is that a big revenue driver for you over the next few quarters?
Oh, yeah. GoPro subscription is at the heart of our value proposition to consumers. And what it is for a consumer is, if you're a GoPro subscriber, you get benefits like unlimited cloud storage of your GoPro content. Your GoPro will automatically upload any new footage that you capture to the cloud. We'll send you an automated edit of that footage to your phone after the footage is done uploading. Guaranteed camera replacement, savings at GoPro.com on accessories. The list goes on. And we've got in the neighborhood of 2.5 million subscribers to date at 69 Australian dollars per year. It's phenomenal value, and it's, from a business perspective, a financial perspective, it's really helping generate significant margin improvement at GoPro. We've got over $100 million of annual recurring revenue now from our subscriber base at over 80% margin. So it's a very important profit contributor to our business. And most importantly, it's very high value to our subscriber customers.
Nick Woodman, Chief Executive at GoPro, thanks for your time today.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.